Hey friends, if you encounter a Windows 11 battery drain issue on your computer, or in general if you wish to preserve your battery life, then I'll help you with it. All you need to do is watch this video. So the first solution is obviously Windows Update, because Windows keeps updating its policy to make the operating system more energy efficient. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The second solution is to disable fast startup. Now how do we do this? Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck the checkbox for turn on fast startup, and then make sure that it's unchecked, then click on save changes. The next solution is to enable energy recommendations, and this will help a lot. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select power and battery. Click on energy recommendations and click on apply all. Now when you click on apply all of these energy recommendations will be applied, but it is up to the person to decide which one is good for them. Like I keep my brightness at maximum, but you can make your own decisions. The next solution is to switch to dark theme. And why? Because as you know that the white color uses all the colors. I mean, it's a combination of all the colors, and black lacks all the colors. So black needs minimum energy. So you can switch to the dark theme. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select themes, and you can either select this dark theme or this dark theme. This is a little reddish in color and this one is bluish in color. The last solution is to remove unnecessary startup programs which actually cause background processes to trigger. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Go to the Startups tab on the list on the left hand side and expand this list. So a lot of programs are enabled by default. All you need to do is right click on the ones which are unnecessary, like ShareX is unnecessary, and disable it. This will actually improve your energy efficiency. Was this helpful? If yes, then let us know in the comment section of this video, and if not yet, let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.